So my darlings, it's 10:30 on a Friday night, March 3rd, and I was trying to show you the, we're having a storm. We're supposed to get like 20 centimeters or something like that. But you can't really see. I don't know, you still can't really see. It's pretty. There you can see my darlings. It's later now. It's more like going like 11:15 the Friday night, March 3rd. You can see how far it's you can see how hard it's coming down. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Oh, there's my sexy man. He needs to come inside. What is he doing? Oh, he's shoveling. That's what he's doing. Come in. Come on in. So I just wanted to show you guys. This is a better. Oh my gosh, my darlings, look at this beautiful sunrise this morning. Oh, my camera's not doing it justice. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's a little bit of a cotton candy skies at the same time. See that? So pretty. Woo! This is amazing, my darlings. He's so awesome.
My journey started on I spent a year in a refugee camp. Stage. These things, stories like this, only happen month after month, year after year for 20 years. Told me that one day, my time will come. Dreams are something you have to believe in. I almost gave up on mine. To all of you out there, please keep your dreams alive.
Oh my gosh, my darlings, I'm just so, this is so awesome. I'm so happy that he won. He's so inspiring and such a positive and awesome, amazing actor as well. That was just amazing. We need more people like him, more positivity. It just blows my mind. This is awesome. So today, my darlings, we're going to be going through this drawer here underneath my cabinet there. We're going to go through there and do some reorganizing and maybe a little decluttering, but I think it's going to be more reorganizing. So I'm just going to open it up so you can, this is embarrassing, but see how it looks here. It really needs to be redone. Everything is just shoved in. So let's see if we can get this looking better and more useful. Okay? So that's what we're going to be doing, and I just wanted to give you an update on my other reorganizing. Like this has been really great. The system is still in place, and then my pantry that I did last year is still pretty good, so I'm really happy how these have been turning out, because normally I get them all looking nice and then it just goes back to being a mess, but it's been pretty good, so I'm happy about that. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out. Originally I had it set up that that top shelf was like for baking stuff, and then down below is bigger items like blender and my crock pot and that kind of thing. So I'm going to try to see if I can keep my baking stuff at the top and the bigger items at the bottom, but I just need to redo it. Like some of these things maybe don't need to go in here. So here we go. Another coffee pot. How many coffee pots we have? Some pie plates. So this is all what I'm showing you here. This is all, look at all the pans. This is all from that top shelf. All this. From the top shelf. So I thought I collected more of these pie plate things. This is my ultimate favorite, lemon meringue pie. It's my ultimate favorite pie. It's a beautiful. And then I've got this cheese pie one. But I thought I had more. I have seen more at the thrift stores, but I really don't need any more, so I'll just keep it to that. And then this one was gifted to me, so I'm going to keep those. So I don't have to do too much organizing down here on the bottom shelf, because a lot of this is going to stay, but like I said, I have cleared off the top shelf, and this is all the baking stuff that I'm going to have to put back in there, and I've also got that. And then I have cookie cutters, that's got to go back in the cookie cutters, and this stuff has got to go back in the first top shelf, and there's my beater. I gave my niece the, I had like a KitchenAid, but it wasn't KitchenAid, it was Cuisinart, and I gave it the mixer to her because she really loves to bake. So, and I wasn't really using it, it was just more sitting there decorative, so I sent that along to her a long time ago now, like last year I think it was. And this stuff here was on, like I said, was on the top shelf. I'm going to have to find different homes for it. Look, I got a Christmas bow in there. I don't know. So I'm going to have to rehome this stuff. And this is nice. This is a really nice pasta bowl. And it says it's made in Italy. And I probably should keep it, but I'm not sure. I might donate to a family member if they want it. Or maybe I will keep it. I don't know. But I really don't use it. And then I'm going to put my two-tiered tray that I got from my hubby. Bought it for me when we were in PI. It's really actually expensive. It wasn't cheap. So I'm going to put that somewhere else. And then there's an extra pan that I think I'm just going to donate because I really don't use it. And these two bowls are my hubby's, and they say they're made in China. I thought they were the ones that like everybody likes to grab. So I don't know. I'll have to ask him what he wants to do with those. Look at this tray. I haven't used it. It's apparently, I think I got it in a like grab bag from Michael's. $14.99 in Canada, $9.99, but I got it in a grab bag. And it's a gingerbread pan. So I didn't even know that. I can put the gingerbread in here, I guess. So try that out sometime. And then I've got this silicone muffin pan. I haven't even used it. I believe we got it for part of a gift for our wedding or something. So this is the after, my darlings. It's better, but I mean it's still not. I mean there's a few things down on the bottom that I'd like to get rid of, but my hubby brought them into our marriage. I know, like, once you're married, what his is mine and what's mine is his and all that, but I just want to, I'll have to ask him what he wants to do with those, if he wants to keep them or whatnot. So, but anyways, this is what it's looking like, and I think it is better. Most of that stuff on the top shelf I'll be using, and on the bottom too. There's just maybe, I think, 4 things, like these things here and those 2 things behind that I don't use. But everything else I pretty much use. The blender and the food processor, I don't use that often, but there's my crock pot. I use that all the time. So there you go. There's that cupboard for now. So the other gift that I got for my hubby and I was this from Shutterfly. We need to start putting our pictures somewhere, because things are getting awfully full, like digitally. I don't know how to say that. But anyways, I made this this from Shutterfly. It's Kier and Rob's Across Canada Road Trip book with all our BC road trip. And it's across Canada. So yeah, and it came just before Easter, so I thought I'd save it and share it with my husband for Easter morning. And so this is what we're going to do with, I'm going to do a few other ones, like our PEI trip and our trips throughout the years that we really need to put them together. So I just wanted to share that. Callie, she's in here. I don't know, Callie, if you're watching, hi. I hope you and your family had a happy Easter, and it was awesome meeting you. So she's in here, and also Cher from Winnipeg. She's also in here. She's a darling of mine. I had no idea, but we met her at one of the Best Westerns we were staying at. So she's in here as well, and I thank her. She's an awesome lady, and it was awesome meeting her. So just a nice little memory books. So I'm going to do some more for our other holidays.